What's up, everybody? Let me get in here. All right, man. So Bitcoin got a little bit of volume down here. Broke above 4,000, but it looked like it might not stay up. Let's see if we can close above 4,000. That'll be pretty sweet. Still not that much, volume coming in over here. We shall see. I'm kind of excited, hoping that it will close above 4,000, but you know how that goes. You get your hopes up and then, you know. So I'm just live streaming it to see where it's going to close for the day. Let's go back to the daily candle. There we go. Pretty long wick down here on this daily. Man, that's pretty long wick. So it may be a reversal. I'm hoping it is, but at the same time, I'm kind of hoping it's not. I know that sounds weird, but to be honest, I was hoping to grab some Bitcoin around 3,000. Like I was hoping to at least touch that 3,000. But as of right now, it hasn't done that. Still got a lot of sell pressure up around 4,100. We shall see if we can close above that 4,000 mark. I think that'll be cool. Let's look at coin market cap real quick. 131. We were about 120. Yeah, 131. Bitcoin at 54%. What all the rest of them doing? Everything looks like it's turning green. Monero's still in the red, barely, about 1%. Dash 1.35%. Yeah, a lot of green on here. What's this? Maker coin down 5.87%. A little bit of red in there, but mostly green. So Bitcoin's pulling everything back up again, as usual. Most of the time, these coins are tied, which they pretty much all are tied to Bitcoin for the most part. So let's go back here. And this is Coinbase Pro sitting over 4,030. So let's see something. Yeah, still sitting there. So I'm excited. I'm just doing this live stream, guys. If y'all got anything y'all want to talk about, definitely hit it in the live chat so we can talk about it. Got a big sell. Well, not a big sell, decent size seller right now. A little bit of sell pressure. Is trying not to let Bitcoin close above 4,000, but we shall see, man. That's a hammer candle as of right now on the daily. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, man, nice reversal looking right here, man. If it could get above right here on the hourly, about 4,300, that would be sweet. We shall see. Go back to the daily. Kind of more interested in the daily chart right now. See what we have in store for us. Oh, my phone tripping. I don't know if you guys heard about Abra, my bad. Abra, I want to mention this real quick. Abra is a pretty cool app that you can download on your phone. It's very similar to Coinbase, only better. It has atomic swap capability, so you can swap coin for coin. You can buy in cryptocurrency with pretty much any fiat. You can buy in through your bank account, your credit card, your debit card, or you can send cryptocurrency and purchase cryptocurrency that way. It's free for most transactions. The only transaction that I do believe it charges is for credit card and wiring. So if you wire funds or if you use your credit card, they charge a fee for that. They also offer this BIT10 index token, which is pretty cool. So because what it does is it follows the trend of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So, it's hard to explain, but based off of those 10, how they do as a whole is how that token does. It just follows it up or down, those 10 tokens. So you can kind of, if you only have, say, $500, but you want to spread it out, that's one way to spread it out into 10 different cryptocurrencies. And that's a pretty cool deal as well. If you want more information, definitely look down in the description. I have a link to Abra. You will receive $25 for signing up, as well as the person that refers you. So you'll get $25 free Bitcoin if you do fund your account with at least $5 within 90 days. So if you're not ready to fund your account yet, still hit that link down in the description so you can be prepared to receive $25 free Bitcoin. Like I said, it's free. The fee is free to use your bank account or send cryptocurrency or to receive cryptocurrency. The only fee is for credit cards and when you wire funds to it. So let's look back at Bitcoin, see if she's still holding above 4,000. And as of now, she is. Oh, she just dropped down. So let's see if she can close above 4,000. Close above 4,000 to me is not a guarantee, but it's a sign of a reversal. So let's just sit back and watch and see what happens. There's not much more time left for it to close. So she wants to, man, but got a little bit of sell pressure right now on sitting on top of Bitcoin, trying to push it back down. So we will see. Thing about cryptocurrency is, especially looking back at the history of Bitcoin in particular, there's a lot of ups and a lot of downs and some hard downs, as well as some parabolic moves to the upside. So you just got to have that in mind, and you got to try to find a way to remove emotions. Think logically. I'm not saying don't be logical. Don't be an idiot, but remove emotions as much as possible, because if not, it'll cause you to make irrational decisions. I don't know why my phone is tripping here. I have to shut it down. So, all right, let's go back over here. I follow Cardano as well. I was hoping Cardano would come down a little more. I was hoping for somewhere in the 800 Satoshi range for Cardano, but I didn't get it. Not yet, at least. So we shall see. My phone logged back into. There it goes. So we're still at around 130 billion. Let's see, go back. Still below 4,000. Man, that was a pretty cool move. It's still a hammer wanting to turn into a doji, which a doji is indecision, but it also could indicate a reversal as well. With that long wick below and a shorter wick on top of the body of that candle still indicates pretty much a hammer. A doji would be about even, above and below. So just sit back and let's see what happens as this candle closes for today. Cardano, not much going on. Not on Binance. Let's see if there's a, nah, I'll just keep it there. I know I mentioned in my other videos, but also like these faucets, free crypto, you know, I don't have a link for them in the description, but at the end of the video, if not, you can go and look at my other videos talking about faucets. And this is a free way to get crypto, man. So some Bitcoin at least. Yeah, I'm looking into some herbs as well. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Man, Bitcoin is wanting to close above 4,000. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's see. That's Abra. As we sit back and wait, go back over here and show you guys that bit 10. So simple and accessible, gain exposure to 80% of the crypto market cap with one asset investment, previously only available to accredited investors. Powerful portfolio, eliminate worry about which cryptocurrency to buy and instead hold the top 10 performers in one asset. That's that bit 10 index, guys. Abra is going to destroy Coinbase if they continue to do what they're doing. So definitely look in the description and get into this Abra, guys. It's an alternative to Coinbase, as well as have atomic swap, and it's feeless to send in your fiat. It's feeless to send and receive cryptocurrency, as well as you could swap from coin to coin. Only fee that's in it is whenever you use a credit card, which they allow credit cards, whereas Coinbase don't allow credit cards. I think Coinbase only allow debit cards, and I'm not too sure about that, but they allow credit cards. There is a fee to the credit cards, and there's a fee to the wire transfers, as well as this index, this BIT10 index token, where you have a portion of all of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. And it only, you can get in this as little as $5. So it's $5 minimum, guys. So Abra is very cool, man. I'm enjoying it so far. So definitely look down in the description for that link. You get $25 for signing up and funding your account with at least $5. So Abra is definitely a Coinbase killer. I've been looking for a Coinbase killer since Coinbase. You know what I'm saying? So I still use Coinbase, but I've tried out Abra. It does not let me record my screen whenever I'm on the Abra app and I'm logged in, so I can't show you guys, but there definitely are transactions I've sent, I received, I swapped, I did all that, and everything worked flawlessly. So back to Bitcoin, 3960. Pull up trading view just for shits and giggles. Yeah. Still sitting over above here. Couple of this crap. See, I was thinking we would come to this, which we could still do that. Come down to 3,000 off of this long wick, at least test it like that, and then maybe go up, just like what we're looking at here. You know, a lot of people were trying to, let me go ahead and see if I can make this a little bigger. A lot of people were trying to say that it would be similar to this move. And let me stretch this out just a little bit. And we could be actually right here in the, if this was the case, guys. I'm not saying this is the case, but we could be in this move right here. And then bam, tricky, you know what I'm saying? Then make its recover. But that's neither here nor there. That's trying to tell the future. I don't know what it's going to do. All I'm here doing is trying to see if Bitcoin can close above 4,000 on the daily. It's wanting to, man. It's constantly trying to break above. Is just the key if it can hold. Okay, Cardano again. Yeah, very little action. So it's what I'm waiting to see, man. A lot of pressure trying to hold it down below that 4,000 mark. That long wick is what gives me a little hope that we may be, you know, running out of steam on the downtrend, at least for this daily. Slowly breaking apart though. Slowly trying to turn into a doji candle as well. Whereas it was a hammer. Let me see something here. I didn't realize I didn't have my screen share on, so sorry about that. All right. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at. It was above 4,000. As you can see, we hit about 4,100, somewhere in that range, and then which was a very, very bullish candle, and as well as a decent volume. Let's look at a trading view, see if we can see that volume. See, very decent volume on this daily candle, green volume. Not as, I mean, I definitely would love to see the volume up to here, but it didn't do that. And looking like a hammer candle here, but it's slowly turning into a doji. I'm not too sure if it's gonna be able to close above 4,000. We shall see. And since I wasn't sharing my screen, I thought I was earlier. This is what I was talking about. Abra, the Coinbase killer, in my opinion. The fees, like I said, is the only fee is credit cards. I didn't went over that. So basically, this is what I was talking about. And that BIT10 index token, which covers the top 10 cryptocurrencies, which represents basically 80% of crypto market cap. And low minimum fee. So it's $5 minimum and no fee, guys. So this index is pretty cool. Like, say you allocate, you know, 10% of your weekly income to buying crypto, you can allocate 10% of that 10% and buy in this BIT 10 index token if that's something you're interested in. Zero fees, guys. The only fee on this website is for credit card and wire transfers, but crypto and using your checking account or your transactions between cryptocurrencies is free. It's atomic swap, so you can swap coin to coins. Pretty cool app, guys. Since I wasn't sharing the screen when I was talking about it, this is what I was talking about. So definitely look down in the description, grab that link, and you will receive $25 free Bitcoin. What's up, Music BR? Man, how are you feeling about this candle here? I mean, it was a hammer, slowly turning into a doji, as well as decent volume on that daily candle. I'm here basically trying to see if Bitcoin can close on the daily above 4,000. I'm not too sure we'll make it. We can. It's possible. Definitely like to see. I mean, we hadn't seen decent action like this in what? I mean, it's been a while, man. Been a while. That's a very look. I'll show you again over here. Look at the size of this green candle. Don't get me wrong, this red candle dominates, but look at the size of this green candle in the past few weeks, basically. There's nothing on that size, nothing. So you do have a lot of bulls or longs that are taking up good positions into Bitcoin, and I guess they're trying to drive it up. So we shall see. Very nice green action here. So that's what I'm looking at. Wanting to see if we can close above that 4,000 price range. Let's look back at coin market cap. See what the other it's the wrong one. But while I'm here, might as well get my free Bitcoin. Oh, not ready. Got 3 minutes left. But yes, guys, definitely look down in my video list. I talk about these faucets where you get free Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, you get that too, as well as you get Doge, Dash, a couple of other ones. Look down for those videos. I have links to these faucets to get your free crypto. I do them every 15 minutes. I get free Bitcoin on this one. So definitely look for that video. Let's go to coin market cap is where I was trying to go. Here we go. Refresh. 128, lost about 2 billion in the last 10 minutes, but still decent. XRP is down now. We're looking at Bitcoin Cash. It's been down for a minute. Cardano is dropping back down, which is kind of cool with me because I'm wanting to get Cardano around the 800 Satoshi range. Not 800, but like 830. If I can get Cardano at 830 Satoshis, I'll be happy. Monero's still down. Tron down. Dash down. But for the most part, you see some green popping up here and there. Still a few coins in the red. This one's down 6%. Let's look at this. Let's see what's the top coin right now, percentage-wise. Link Key. I don't own any Linky. Raven Coin and Factum. ARC is up. That's pretty cool. Never bought any ARC, but I was very interested in that one. So go back to the main page here. So I mean, man, it looks good. I'm very excited to see. Like I said, the volume on this candle broke above 4,000. Couldn't hold. Hopefully, it will before the close of this candle. If it does, that would be very nice to see. So, music. What coin are you're following? What's your main coin, and what are you hoping to see with this Bitcoin? Give me your thoughts down there in the live chat. Spin in there. Market cap. Cardano. Come on, Cardano. I'm kind of wanting this one to go down to 830 Satoshi price range. It's another 100 Satoshis that need to fall, huh? Maybe wishful thinking, but I don't know, man. Could be could have been a little bull trap right here. Get some bulls excited and bring it back down. That's possible, man. Could bring this back down. If it does, like I said, if it hits 3,000, Bitcoin hits 3,000, yeah, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna do whatever I can to get as much Bitcoin as possible at 3,000. And then next week, if it continues to drop, then I'm gonna do whatever I can to get as much Bitcoin. I will do that until I run out of funds to do it. I'm still gonna eat though. Definitely won't stop eating. So, what's up, Blaine? What's up, man? You excited about that coin? I'm happy you like that coin, man. Finally got you a Bitcoin, huh? Same here, man. Yeah, I was hoping you would get it. Hey, Blaine, I don't know if you were in here when I was talking about Abra, but Abra is a very cool app that you can download on your phone. It's Apple Play Store as well as or Apple Store, whatever they call it. I'm not an Apple guy, and Google Play Store, where you can buy cryptocurrency with fiat, credit card, wire transfers. I mean, whatever you want to do. It also has atomic swap, so you can swap from coin to coin, and all of that is fee less. The only thing that costs a fee is if you use your credit card or wire transfer, but to use your bank account and send over funds is free. To move cryptocurrency, to withdraw or to deposit cryptocurrency is free, as well as they have this Bit10 index token, which is cool for someone who wants exposure to the top 10 cryptocurrencies. It's basically a token that follows the top 10 cryptocurrencies. It's an index, Bit10, and you can get in that one as well for a small minimum of $5, and it's no fee. So that's pretty cool. So I wanted to let everybody know about Abra. It is, in my opinion, the Coinbase killer, or it could be. So definitely look down in the description and check out that link for Abra. Go back to Bitcoin. Yeah, man, I don't know what it's going to do. You still have us quite a bit of sellers up there trying to keep Bitcoin below 4,000. I'm hoping we can close above it. At the same time, I'm kind of hoping we don't, because I clearly do not have enough Bitcoin, and I'm hoping I can load up as much as possible around the $3,000 range. And I don't mean 3,500. I mean 3,200, 3,300, somewhere in that range is when I will definitely be pulling the trigger. Now, I have been buying. I've been buying it since it's been falling. I bought Bitcoin in here. I bought Bitcoin in here, and I think I bought like a small amount of Bitcoin in here, and I'm waiting for 3,000 to really try to pull that trigger. So let's see what happens. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, let me know in the live chat. I'm not too sure if y'all can hear me. Loud and clear. Thank you, Blaine. Appreciate that. So what you think, Blaine? You think Bitcoin can close on a daily above 4,000, or is going to continue to get pushed lower? Got a decent, like I said, man, we got a decent green volume here on this candle. What other coins are you guys in that y'all are excited about? Like my main coin, other than Bitcoin, is Cardano, and I'm in another coin called Credit, which is a very, very new coin, very young coin. I'm excited about that one as well. As well as I got into this X42. Now, I don't really have that much information on X42 other than it is proof of stake, and I am getting stake rewards from holding it, as well as Credit gets stake rewards from that. Cardano's still not stake rewards yet because they're still working on that. I think they're projecting to have that ready somewhere in the middle of January. Either way, I'm a believer in the Cardano project, ADA. But Credit and X42, I got some other coins. I can't even think of all of them. A lot of small ones. Next stop 34, yeah. If it hits 34, that's right around the range that I really want to start buying. Like I'll probably do without coffee, I'll do without a lot of things at around 33, 32 Bitcoin and just load up as much as possible and just have enough to eat, pay bills, and put gas in my vehicle. Then 29 would be sweet too. I'll load up on it around 29, but I'll probably start pulling the trigger again around 34. I mean, actually 33, 32. 34 will let me know, hey, pay attention. Then sideways till 2021. Yeah, it makes sense. It could definitely happen. You know, I'm hoping 2020. That's my hope, but I'm not letting go of my Bitcoin, you know, until we at least go to another parabolic move, or at least, you know, break all-time highs. Put it that way. Break all-time highs. Then halving. Yeah, I hear a lot of people talking about that. You know, one person that really pushes the halving thing is Trevon James. And it makes sense. It makes sense. Definitely makes sense. So get my free crypto. Got to get the free crypto, man. Like I said, guys, if you're not into these faucets, go watch my video about these faucets where you get your free crypto, man. Cost me nothing. I withdrew from it already. Wasn't much, but I withdrew. You know, I'm putting that into my Exodus wallet, which my Exodus wallet, I hardly ever use that wallet. So it's kind of like I'll just stack it up in there. And if some crap coin comes along that I might want to flip on, I might do it with my Exodus wallet. 39.55, man. Got a lot of sell pressure here. Got a lot of people trying to keep this from going over 4,000 again, which it already did right here. Yeah, man, that's actually a good idea. You know, the thing about alts with me is that, you know, I'm in alts, you know, like I said, Cardano and Credit and a few others. But the thing about them is to, like you said, high caps, and as well as high caps, but also make sure that those alts are actually doing something, or at least you believe that that team is going to do what they say they're going to do. Because we already know a lot of these altcoins are crap. They're just crap, man. Now, unless you trading it, a crap coin meaning, then, you know, you're going to get slaughtered. Not you, Blaine. I'm just saying in general. But, you know, I definitely believe in these alts because that's where you can make the most most return on whatever you got in them, you know, whereas Bitcoin, you know, you have to have quite a bit of Bitcoin. unless Bitcoin hit $1 million. You know what I'm saying? 100,000 even still is not. If you only have say 0.25 Bitcoin and it hits 100,000, you know, that's not life changing. Even if you had a whole Bitcoin, 100,000 really isn't life changing. It could change things. You could pay off some bills, you know, maybe buy a house or something, but you're still going to have a job to pay the electric bill. You know what I'm saying? So the altcoins can definitely offer you that, you know, life changing opportunities, whereas Bitcoin can't. The only thing about Bitcoin is you know, a lot of people are getting negative on Bitcoin, but I really don't think that, you know, when most people hear cryptocurrency, the first thing is they think of is Bitcoin. And I think that's not going to change. In my opinion, that's not going to change. So Bitcoin will remain king, in my opinion. 2021, 2022, I have no idea, but in the near future, Bitcoin will remain king. And that's what most people think about, especially people not in a cryptocurrency. When they hear cryptocurrency, they think Bitcoin. They don't think Litecoin. They don't think Ethereum. They don't think Cardano. They don't think, you know, none of these other coins. They think Bitcoin. That's what cryptocurrency is to them. But I'm doing the same. I'm trying to get as much Cardano as possible, as much as possible, as well as Bitcoin. You know, like my thing is I'm trying to get my Bitcoin, which I was never disciplined enough to do. Get my Bitcoin, save it in my wallet, you know, the don't touch wallet, and get some Bitcoin for altcoins. You know what I'm saying? So I can buy the altcoins that I believe in. I hadn't been disciplined enough to do that. Sometimes I'll get greedy and I'll see an altcoin that I really like and I just go all in. You know, I'll throw all my Bitcoin on it, or I'll throw as much Bitcoin on it as possible, and then I'll see another one and throw Bitcoin on it as possible. Whereas I need to kind of have somewhat like a savings account for specifically Bitcoin, just stashed away, you know, because you never know. Bitcoin may hit 1 million. You know, I know that sounds crazy, but 5-10 years from now, who knows what's going to happen. It also go to zero, but we shall see. Kind of still waiting to see what this is going to do as the candle closes. So, hey Blaine, what's your biggest, if you were to recommend an altcoin to me, what would it be? What's the one altcoin that you think everyone should own right now? Bitcoin's trying to go below 3,900. It might look like it will. Which is fine with me because, like I said, I want to get some cheap Bitcoin. 128 billion still, 54%. Need Cardano to go below 900, man. XRP, XLM, and Tron. Man, you know what? I'm not in Tron. I thought about XRP, but I'm not going to lie. I'm one of those guys that's kind of anti-XRP. But here's the thing. I would be an idiot not to get into something that everyone is, you know, I see it. XRP has like probably the most bullish community out there. So my thing is what, matter of fact, let's look at XRP. I want to look at it because I put in a buy order one time, but I put a real low, like real low. Let's see where XRP is at, 37 cents. Yeah, see, I don't like that. What I want to see, XRP at least come down and test these levels, test this moving average right here, around 85,000. I mean 8,500 Satoshi. Yeah, I hear you, man, but you're smart. You know, you see the trend. So you got in. My thing is I will buy XRP. I'm anti XRP, but I will buy XRP if I could get at least a test to here around 84.70 Satoshi. If I get a test there, I'll buy it. Yeah, you're right. You're right. There's definitely a reason why it's number 2. Definitely. Matter of fact, let's see how bad it's beating up Ethereum for the number 2 spot. Oh man, $4 billion. Wow. About 4 billion, not quite 4 billion, 3 billion. Still, you know, Ethereum, man, Ethereum got hit bad. It went below 100, I believe. I don't own any Ethereum, so I don't know. I don't really follow it. I got out of Ethereum after all them dApps, man. I got out of Ethereum. I don't know why I clicked on this screen. I got out of Ethereum after all them dApps. ETC as well, man. I was in Ethereum Classic, which, man, Ethereum Classic is, let's look at that, man. I kind of wanting to throw some money at Ethereum Classic. Look, that's a doji. It's wanting to turn around as well, man. Ethereum Classic at $4.60. I don't know. See, if I'd have got in around $4 down here somewhere, that's what I should have did. And I looked at it too, but I was thinking it would come down even lower, like $3.50, $2, but it didn't. I might buy some more Ethereum Classic in the next few days, but right now my main focus, be honest, is Bitcoin and Cardano. That's my main focus, but definitely XLM. That's Monero, right? I think that's Monero. About Neo, and it got ravaged. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's true. XLM. I think that's Monero. Oh, Stellar. That's what it is. Stellar Lumens. I don't know why I thought that was Monero. Stellar at 15 cents. Yeah, that's not a bad one to have as well. I think they kind of similar to XRP, right? Stellar Lumens. Yeah, XLM. Let's look at where it's been. I don't think I ever bought Stellar before. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's one to look at. I'll keep it. Is XLM? Yeah, I got you. Go back to the front page. Yeah, XRP. XRP. Let me go back to that chart. Yeah, XRP around 8,500 Satoshis would be nice for me. I'd get in. Test of this moving average as well as this support level. We shall see, man. It's definitely not going anywhere. Back in the day, yeah, I got you. And trying to starting to take off, man. Yeah, I know. Craig Grant and Trevon James have been pumping Tron here for a while with these games. He mentioned a game that I'm kind of interested in. Not a game, a new coin. Let's see if I can pull it up. This is it. What you know about this one, man? Intergalactic. Supposedly some type of gaming where you could place bets on, I mean, almost any kind of like video gaming, any kind of game, team sports, all that. And it's on the Tron blockchain. So I don't know, man. I'm kind of interested in it. Have you heard anything about this one? I'm going to eat a little bit, guys. So please do excuse me. Tron is such a pleasure to use. Yeah. I must admit, the only coin that I'm using right now is Steam. And you would think I'd be buying the crap out of Steam, but I hadn't. I really haven't. I haven't been buying Steam. I'm probably going to regret that in the next year or two. Dude, check this out. At least look into it. It's IGG or IGGalaxy.com. Check them out. Since you're into Tron, I think they're doing an airdrop 1-for-1. I don't know if we missed the airdrop, but when Craig Grant was talking about it, I looked into it and they were doing a 1-for-1 airdrop. So however many you buy, you get that many in the airdrop. Yeah, you're right about Steam. You're right. Ken, I don't know what Ken is. I don't know what that is, man. Let's go back to the chart. $39.44. Oh, okay. You know, Stella is, I need to put Stella on my radar. I definitely do. Trying, the thing about trying with me, to be honest with you, is I mean, I just don't see it going up that much. Now, anything on Tron like these tokens they put, I can see them going up pretty good. They have 37 live apps on Android. Wow. And iOS. Haven't started to take off. I'm gonna have to look into that. What's up, Mr. Star Fox, by the way? Thank you for tuning in, man. What do you think about this candle we're looking at on the daily for Bitcoin? It's getting pushed back down, man, but we had broke 4,000, about 4,100 was a nice hammer candle forming on the daily. Decent volume, but look like they're trying to push it back down before the close of the candle. As if there's an entity doing it now, but you know what I mean. The bears are pushing it back down below the 4,000 before the close. Let's sing. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Blaine. The gas is dust and TX per day is high. Okay. Volume is high enough and not enough fear to be bottom. I have to agree. That's why I think I didn't pull that trigger. Like most people would have saw this candle breaking above, trying to make a breakout, and would have bought in and got trapped. And then, at the end of this candle, as it closed, just collapsed back down, possibly hitting 3,000. Who knows where it's going to hit? I'm not predicting nothing. I'm just saying, which I felt that emotion come on me when I saw it go up, that emotion of, all right, go buy it. You said you were going to wait till 3,400, but you're going to miss it. Just buy it, which I'm glad I didn't, because I kind of have that same feeling as Mr. Star Fox, but I did feel that emotion. That emotion immediately clicked in when I saw what Bitcoin was doing. But I talked some sense into myself. At least I think I talked some sense into myself. We going to 3K. Hey, that's where I'm looking to really, really buy. Like I was saying earlier, stop buying coffee, stop eating Burger King, stop eating, you know what I mean? Every little penny other than bills and gas would be buying Bitcoin. That's me, not financial advice, by the way. Yeah, you felt that emotion too, huh? Like, oh, it's over, but You know, I think we're only kidding ourselves here. Let's see. Go back, look at anything's popping up yet. 10K next. Yeah. I'll hit refresh. Yeah. Yeah. XRP around 20 something cents. I'm in. I'll get in. I mean, um, Stellar definitely need to start paying more attention. Cardano, I'm definitely loading up on that one. That's just me. Nice to tune in to you. Thank you, man. Have a nice stream. I'll check in later occasion. Nice talking to you. Thank you, man. I definitely appreciate you. I appreciate everybody, you know, all of the subscribers and those who just stopped by. Definitely thank you guys for tuning in because, hey, if you wouldn't, what would be the point? So thank you, Mr. Star Fox. I hope to see you again soon. Later, man. We shall see, man. Oh, Mr. Star Fox, subscribe. I definitely appreciate that. Do you guys use TradingView? This is actually my first time messing with this, and I see they have a deal on it right now where you can get in. Hold on, my bad. They have paid. I'm gonna have to go back and type Bitcoin in, but they have paid services. I feel bad for Bitmain. They have paid services for traded all their BTC for B. Oh wow, yeah, that's horrible. Oh my god, that is horrible. But TradingView has this where you could purchase a subscription and you get more tools and more capabilities with their charts. But and it's like 60% off, 50% off, 40% off. But I almost did it, and the sale is almost over, probably in a few minutes or a few hours. But I don't think I'm gonna do it. I'm not a day trader, you know. I buy crypto, hold on to it until I don't want to hold on to it anymore, and then I move on to something else. But I don't really day trade unless I see a perfect opportunity. Then I'll day trade. But I did day trading with stocks, and that shit can get hectic. Have your nerves all messed up, not eating right. I mean, just have you all crazy. Absolutely, Blaine. And they are donkeys. Couple of butt heads, man. You know, I won't put 100% of the blame on them, but they definitely share some of the blame of giving the bear full total control of the steering wheel. Just waiting on the close of this candle, man. In other news, I bought some more silver. You know, I enjoy those 2 ounce rounds. I know some of y'all may have seen that video where I unboxed those 2 ounce rounds back in 2009 and 8 and all that. When I was buying silver back then, I never would buy 2 ounce rounds. I think I was more like in a prepper mode, like you know, prepping for the apocalypse. And but now I really don't worry about that crap no more. If something happens, it happens. You know, hopefully I'm prepared. If I'm not, oh well, I'll just die. You know what I'm saying? That's just the way it is. So, but yeah, I bought some more silver. Silver prices are down. which is cool. So I'm able to buy cryptocurrency at a discount, buy some silver at a discount, and just wait for things to change, you know. Hodl till things change, you know. As far as silver, I don't purchase silver. I don't purchase silver for you know, apocalypse type thing. I purchase silver. Number one, I gotta like the coin. If I like the coin, I'm gonna buy it. The only thing is this internet, man. They really don't do these coins justice. Like those last 2 ounce rounds, those Egyptian depiction coins that I got, those are absolutely amazing. Very beautiful coins. If I get enough money, if Bitcoin don't take all my money, because I'm definitely gonna load the boat if we go down to 3,000. But if that doesn't happen, I'm definitely going to buy some more of those coins. And if I do, I'm going to have a giveaway, because whoever gets that coin, man, you're going to love it. That's a beautiful coin, that Egyptian coin. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just whenever you get off the live stream, just look down in my videos of me unboxing this silver. Beautiful coin. But 2 ounce rounds are where I'm at right now. Like, I just love the 2 ounce rounds. The 1 ounce rounds are cool. And I did order some, pre-ordered some 2019 Silver Eagles, which won't be delivered until January. So, you know, I still get the 1 ounce rounds, and I enjoy them as well. But the 2 ounce rounds is where I'm at right now. Did Bitcoin hit bottom today? Press 1. For yes, press 2. No, press 1 for yes, press 2 for no. Okay. Double D wants to know, did Bitcoin hit bottom today? Press 1 for yes and press 2 for no. It hit a bottom, not the bottom, says Blaine. Yeah, I'm kind of, you know, if Bitcoin would close above 4,000, I would say that possibly was the bottom. I don't think Bitcoin is going to close on the daily above 4,000. So since it didn't, in my opinion, I don't think this is the bottom. I think we're going to go lower in the next week or so. But Blaine says it hit a bottom, but not the bottom. And if you notice on the screen, you know, you still got quite a bit of sellers out there. And you got a little bit of buying action as well. So we shall see, man. This may be an indecision candle. And with that being said, then we'll have to sit back till tomorrow and see what happens then. But I definitely want to thank everyone who's tuning in right now. If you're new here, definitely subscribe to the channel. Also, look down in the description, as I mentioned about Abra. You know, Abra is an alternative to Coinbase, and it's no fees on certain transactions. The only transactions that they charge a fee is for credit cards and money transfers. Other than that, zero fee, as well as atomic swap. So you can swap from coin to coin, as well as you can receive $25 for signing up and funding your account with $5, the minimum $5. And they also have that BIT10 index, which I'll show you guys real quick, since some of y'all just tuning in. The BIT10 index at Abra, link down in the description. It gives you, it's like an index of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, basically, and you follow that trend. So say you don't have that much money to invest in cryptocurrency. I don't like the word invest, but it's the best word I could think of right now. But say you have only 500, say, or 50 or 100, you can purchase this BIT10X index token, and it will mimic those 10 as a whole. You know, it's an index coin, index token, I mean. So Abra, definitely check that out, guys. And also sub the channel, and let's see what this candle is going to do. But thank you for tuning in. I'm trying to eat supper and watch crypto, man. This is the cryptocurrency life. Let's go back, look at, what's this, XRP? Know a lot of people like, and a lot of people believe XRP will take the place of Bitcoin. XRP coming back down. See, it's might test, man. We might get a test of that moving average. We get a test of that moving average, I'm gonna have to buy a little bit of XRP, which I am one of those who said I never would. What's for dinner today is just pizza, man. The wife ordered pizza. She didn't want to cook for me, man. Eating Pizza Hut. What you think about it, Blaine? You think we're coming back down to this moving average on XRP? Having token, that's another one, or having coin, that's another one I'm in. I don't know if you guys heard about that one. I think I got it pulled up here somewhere. That's it right there. It also has stable coins. So anyway, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not talking about that one right now. 39.49. Ripple is weird, man. I'm kind of hoping Ripple will break from its BTC chains and move against it like it did the other day, and it did do that. I did notice that as well. How about the rest of your guys? While we wait on this candle to close, any of y'all in the precious metals as well as crypto? See if I can get a little bit of, see what I can do here. About time for me to claim my free cryptocurrency, huh? Let's go ahead and do that. Free cryptocurrency, man. Can't beat it, especially in the down market. There's not much to do in crypto world, so all I can do is just play around on the computer collecting free crypto. I gotta move it up. And claim my free Bitcoins. All right, wait 15 more minutes. Claim some more free crypto. Let's go and look up something real fast. Have a little. Let me see if I can mute this. Silver for the win. I hear you, Blaine. You can get this thing to Yes, I can't do it. I was gonna try to pull up background music on. Let's go back to Bitcoin. 39.64, man. Getting closer to the close. What time does the candle close? I think it's around 6 p.m. my time. What time you got over there, Blaine? That the daily candle on Bitcoin close? I was asking if you knew what time the candle closed on Bitcoin, like the daily. You know, I think around over here it's around 6 p.m. Time right now is 5:45 my time. Either way, I don't think we have much longer to go before this candle closes. Not sure. Me either. I never really pay attention to it other than, kind of notice it when the next day starts. It might be late tonight. I could be wrong. If it is, I won't stay on that long. I just wanted to kind of get on here and do this. Kind of tell you guys about Abra. Um, tell you guys about, get your guys' idea on that green candle that popped out of nowhere. And some good volume on it as well, Let me go back to my trading view. Let's pull Bitcoin back up. I don't know. I got messed up over here. Bitcoin USD, where we at? There we go. Go back to the daily. What is this? This is not the same candle I was just looking at. This is something else. The hell? Let's go back over here. Weekly, daily, 6 hour. I'm looking at the daily on this chart. I don't know. Maybe he was talking about the other chart. I'll keep the stream going until 6 p.m. this time, which is Central Standard Time. And then after that, I'm just going to shut it down. I still see, I don't think we're going to close above 4,000, but I could be wrong. Still got some selling pressure there. Sitting at 39.50. And, either way, I feel, in my opinion, like I said, not financial advice, we still may have another leg down. But as always, no one can tell the future. Look at that nice buy action coming in out of nowhere. And who knows what this thing will do. I'm hoping it'll go to 3,000 because that's where I'm trying to load up as much Bitcoin as possible. Around 33, 32. But we shall see. I may not get that opportunity. If I don't, then oh well. I'll just keep an eye on it. $34 tomorrow. Yeah, you could be right, man. Oh, dang. You're right. Yeah, and you're right. If we hit 34, definitely, I think what I'll do is put in my buy order at that price. Yeah, 34 and 29. So if we hit 34, you're right. I can put it. See, my thing is though I want to grab. I don't know. You're right. I might as well wait till 29. So what I'll do, we hit 34, put in a buy order at 29, and just let it sit. Actually, I'll probably put it at 3, man. 29. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Because sometimes you might not get in on the action. That should have moved so fast. It could hit 29 and bounce on you. So, I'm thinking a little bit above that. That way I'm sure I could get in if we test 29. Put it right at 29, I might not get filled. But I will say this, man, being in cryptocurrency, like I said, I've traded penny stocks. I've been in precious metals. I've even done some other stuff, you know what I'm saying, on the side. But cryptocurrency is the one that really gets the heart pumping. Especially, you guys know, last year, 2017, when we went straight up, went straight up. That was insane, man. Like I've never been in something that went up that hard, that fast. The only thing that held me back last year was I was not hip enough. I wasn't, in the know enough to know all of these damn scammers. And, I got part of part of some of the ones that got scammed last year. So I lost a lot of what I won. Lost a lot of what I made due to scammers. And it wasn't BitConnect. Most people lost to BitConnect, but I was in USI Tech where I got my butthole handed to me, if you know what I'm saying. But now I know, and you know, coming from precious metals, seemed like I would have known, because one of the biggest sayings in precious metals is, if you don't hold it, you don't own it. And it goes to say, it's the same thing in cryptocurrency. If you don't own the private key, basically holding it, you don't own the private key, then you don't own it. You know, so definitely do not give over your cryptocurrency to no exchange. You know, we have to use the exchanges, but you buy what you need on the exchange and move that crap in your wallet with your private key as well. Because if you guys don't know about Mt. Gox, look that up and you'll find out what an exchange can do to you, as well as these people with this, give me your crypto and then I'm going to give you this or that. That's gambles. You can do it. I do it. You know, I did it with some of these DApp games, but you got to understand there's a good chance you might not get that crypto back. Now, smart contracts is a little different. Don't get me wrong, but these other platforms where they say, oh, give us your crypto and we'll pay you back so much every day. Be careful of that. You know, not saying it don't work or you can't make money from doing it, but you don't own that crypto. When you hand it over, they own it. And all they got to do is shut the website down. Then what you going to do? You're going to go on Twitter and complain, but there ain't nobody listening. So you need to keep control of your cryptocurrency, keep it in your wallet, own your private keys, use the exchanges for what you need. You know, maybe leave a little crypto on the exchange that you're saving there only to trade with. But anything you're trying to hold on to, put it in your own wallet with your own private keys. Now, it's 2018 going into 2019. Everybody should have learned that lesson. So there should be no more mistakes like that. Always keep up with your private keys as well. I've done that too. Lost private keys to one of my Steemit accounts. And but I was lucky, you know, about 4 months later, I found that key. But not everybody's lucky like that. So keep up with your stuff, guys. I'm gonna call that we're not gonna close above 4,000. We're gonna close below 4,000. That's my call, not financial advice. But so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this live stream. If any of you have any questions, definitely go ahead and ask them now while I go over Abra one more time. Like I said, ask your questions or anything, any concerns or whatever you want to say in that comment section. Go ahead and do that now while I go over Abra one more time, guys. So basically, like I said, Abra is a Coinbase killer, in my opinion. You can buy cryptocurrency with your fiat currency, whatever that is, wherever you're from, wherever you're at, as well as you can use fiat. You can even use credit card. You can wire transfer, and you can also send cryptocurrency so that you could swap using Atomic Swap on the Abra application, which is on iOS, which is the not Android, the Apple Play Store or the Apple Store, as well as on Google Play Store. So it's on both. You can download them. Everything's free, except the only fee they charge is whenever you use a credit card or you wire transfer. Now, on top of that, signing up now, and if you fund your account with at least $5, you will get $25 free in Bitcoin. So you definitely want to grab that link down in the description, as well as they offer this BIT10 index token, which is basically a token that follows the trend of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So say you got a little bit of extra cash or extra crypto and you want to spread it out among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Well, this is the token you want to earn. It's a minimum of $5 to purchase in on this index. So all you need is $5, but you can go as high as you want. And it's free. There's no fee for that, you know. So definitely check out Abra, guys. The link is in the description. $25 free Bitcoin. All you have to do is fund your account with $5, of course. And it's just like Coinbase when they were offering us, what was it, $5? Well, they're offering you 25, and they're here to destroy Coinbase. They have a long way to go. Don't get me wrong. Now, I have been using Abra. I've transferred money. I even used the swap feature where I swap Bitcoin for Bitcoin Gold. I swapped back to Bitcoin. Then I transferred my Bitcoin out of the wallet. I funded my wallet. Then I sent the money. You know what I mean? I did all that to test it out before I talked about it to you guys. So from what I've seen, the thing is pretty cool. Do your own research, obviously. So just check the link out if you're interested. You'll get free $25 in crypto Bitcoin. So we're at 39:36, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this live stream. I don't see any questions. I want to thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time. Well, I got to stop my screen share first, and then it'll be until next time. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and get it right before I. So thank you for stopping by. Until next time. Check out my other videos as well. Check out my channel, man. Until next time. Peace, dope.